rang ba ka jala Mikhalia Conrad ke sangma negasngi ula lej banyadon bentalang ban penkut ya ke Jubili rupa jong ka Indian Catholic Youth Movement kabala penlong ha Divine Retreat Center ha ke jala Kerala. Ya ke mas bekut la penbenta da Cardinal Felipe na Goa ubadairu President jong ka Conference of Catholic Bishops of India. Habakren hakani kesngi syaki Samla Menteri rang ba kejala Conrad ke sangma ulai kublai kerpang ya ka ICYM ha ka lengku dap arpsan snem jong ka jing syakri bat ban long ki nong helam ula ban jure ke jing don kam ban long ki ba shlur ban kren bat ban im kum ki bangek ha ka jing im ka jongki ula kentui ki Samla bakin long ka jing khot ban long ka jing kermen ban yeng kenjreng ha ki jing e ki bagi ya kendu bat ban pendon kam ya ka nikalat ban penpau ya ka jing shisha bat ka jing kermen ula ai ka jing ero ya ka ICYM ka bala penmi shibun ki nongelam ki balong kum ka jingking sha ka jing isnei bat ban ai mensim ban trei bat yai trei na ka benta ka balang bat kari hi bero kawai Shushu Conrad sangma ula kentu ya ki Samla ban shim khia ha ka kot ka khia ka jing nang jing tip haki kam ki jam bat kham tam man pendon kam ya ki kor ki bor jong kani ka ju ka babenta khnang ba kinla ban kiu saprang ha ka jing im ka jongki bat kumjuru ban kentiu bat pen I ya ka nuksa ka babha ha ka jingngeit ka ba maki kidan.
Friends, today we gather not merely to mark a milestone, but we gather to inspire a transformation. The Silver Jubilee of the Indian Catholic Youth Movement and the Jubilee year of hope for our Holy Catholic Church are not simply anniversaries. They are clarion calls to action, to transformation, and to courageous witness in our turbulent world. Look around you. More than 3,000 passionate youth, priests, religious, and animators from every corner of India. And this is a living tapestry of faith, service, and hope. This assembly is proof that the church's future is not just bright, it is ablaze with your energy, your dream, and your resolve. The theme, you are my witness because you have been with me, is not a gentle suggestion. Friends, to witness is to stand up. To witness is to speak out. To witness is to radiate Christ's love in every sphere: school, workplace, family, and society. Your faith is meant to be lived out loud, disrupting indifference and confronting injustice. You are called not to blend in, but to stand tall as beacons of hope in a world longing for light. To witness is not simply to speak, but to live in such a way that your life becomes a message. Guided by leaders like His Eminence Cardinal Philippe Neri, and Most Reverend Ignatius D'Souza, commit to blending spiritual depth with social impact. For 25 years, ICYM has not just survived, but it has led, served, and shown. You have forged leaders of integrity, built bridges of compassion, and inspired a culture of service. This Jubilee is not the end of a chapter, but it is a start of a revolution of hope. The world is watching. Let your deeds resound louder than words. A special greeting to the dynamic youth of Northeast India. At the 5th Northeast Regional Youth Convention in Kohima, you answered the call as pilgrims of hope. Your unity, creativity, and courage are living proof that faith is a journey and a force for transformation. You have shown the nation how to carry hope forward. United, undaunted, and unstoppable. Our youths across the world face immense challenges, such as mental health struggles, job uncertainty, climate crisis, digital dangers, ethical confusion, and the scourge of addiction and division. But you are not victim. Remember, you are not victims. You are warriors. Mental health is not a stigma, but a cause for solidarity. Employment challenges are opportunities for innovation. Environmental threats are calls to stewardship. Digital complexities demand discernment. Moral confusion is your moment to stand firm. Polarization is your chance to unite. But challenges are only half the story. The opportunities before you are limitless. Use the digital era to build, not break. Harness social entrepreneurship to uplift the marginalized. Lead the green revolution to heal the earth. Leverage your global connections to think big but act globally, locally. Use your platforms to amplify truth, justice, and compassion. The ICYM is your launch pad, and let your generation be remembered as the one that dared to change the world. Friends, hope is not passive. It's a choice we make daily. First, prioritize wellness. Mental health is a mission readiness. Support one another and find peace through prayer. And then act. Pursue practical skills and volunteerism. Dream boldly while starting small. Our witness must extend to the earth. Champion stewardship and let your example inspire change. Friends, in this digital age, use technology as an instrument of truth and kindness. Live your values by embodying integrity, courage, and compassion. Crucially, bridge the divides and serve inclusively. Friends, remember, we are here to unite and not to polarize. Friends, to witness is to live in a way that your life becomes a message. Let your actions make faith tangible. Let your actions make hope contagious. And let your actions make love appealing. Go forth and live your hope. Hope begins with you. Not tomorrow, not next year, but right now. Friends, let this Jubilee be the fire that reignites your spirit, the challenge that sharpens your purpose, the call that sets your feet in motion. Lead with boldness, serve with humility, and shine with the light of Christ. May this Jubilee of hope and the sacred words, "You also are my witness," ignite in you a faith that acts, a hope that endures, and a love that builds a new world. While congratulating the Indian Catholic Youth Movement, I appeal to you to go forth and be the change maker our church, our country, and our world so urgently need. I once again would like to thank the ICYM for having invited me here for this program.
We all need somebody to lead.
As one, me and Prabhika.